YouTube, what is going on? It is your boy Keezy. It ain't easy being Keezy, and in today's video we are gonna give you like behind the scenes footage of being a part of the Nike sneakers app or whatever, and I believe that's what's going on. I mean, this is pre-recorded, and I had someone message me on Instagram. They had asked me to be a part of like this film thing, not a photography thing, but like a videography thing for either Nike, which I'm assuming is for the Nike sneakers app, because obviously what you see back here, I am a sneakerhead. They did see my channel and then they liked that. We kind of like had a conversation after that. So today I'm going up to SF. We're gonna meet up with them. I don't really know exactly what to expect. I just know that I'm gonna be a part of this thing, and hopefully it is the Nike sneakers app, so then like I can show that footage and save this footage and then show the footage of the Nike sneakers app video or whatever where I'm a part of it, and then I will put it into this video at the end. Then we're gonna wrap up this vlog. So please excuse any of the footage if it's just like random footage. I'm literally just gonna be bringing my phone, vlogging. I don't even know if I'm allowed to vlog at the event itself. They say no, they say no. If they say yes, then obviously you guys are gonna get some pretty dope footage. I'm gonna try my best to like document the whole thing. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and head down there and see what this is all about. Hello, how you doing?
Good, I'm Sarah.
Easy, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you bring any outfit options or?
Nah, he just said wear whatever, so
okay. Yeah, I like this. Cool. It's Diana.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Something to do with this, or is just?
Oh no,
this?
no.
I was like,
I'm charging my phone right there, and we just happen to be right here.
Gotcha,
so.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Y'all got the equipment out today, for sure.
This is called street.
Okay, yeah. Neighborhood makeup.
Finally meet you, bud.
Hey, how you doing?
Thanks for coming down today.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Thank you. Thank you.
We're having a good time out here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Almost ready for you. We got this hero shot.
You're good. Take your time.
Shot. You already heard the spiel, right? Ending with the hero shot. And we're gonna
A little
start
bit.
with
Yeah.
So we'll be kind of.
Just tell me as I go.
Yeah.
You just wing it. I don't know.
They say Benzes roll, Beamers jet, and caddies keep on dipping. Well, I must be tripping. I'm in the old school pie flipping, selling them high jipping, tending to my pimping. Time slipping, late, I'm on my way. Not enough hours in the day to be Dre. I'm El Presidente. I run things, tote gun things, and never run from things.
You think I'm ready?
I think you're ready.
Meet you.
Easy. Pleasure, pleasure. Nice rig you got there, man.
you.
You like my rig?
I do.
Okay.
Hey, whatever
Yeah. I'm just gonna set this down. What are we doing exactly right here? Sure, sure. Are we? Am I walking up right now?
Shot. This is gonna be like a hero shot. 60 frames. Actually,
60 frames 4K.
right there. One. So let's bring gear down here, and we're gonna.
Can I move?
Yeah, you can move. Yeah. Let's get the.
Bring your gear.
How's that? Felt good to me. The hood is going to be at an angle because we're going downhill. That's okay.
This is a busy street. This is a main thoroughfare, guys.
I know.
I mean, it's the city, so.
City of San Francisco, man.
So I got a low battery on Tascam.
Like those shoes
so
and
clean.
the jeans.
The stripes are red and the yellow.
4 in the morning, nigga. Check. I guess I refined the scene. They finally realize who's king. I remind them so much of who they supposed to be. The best time I ever had in my life was free. Grab a mic on the stage with the crowd. Everybody was amazed. Then look at me now. Even though I'm on, I still help my niggas sprout. Pray for it.
I got a bunch. I got some good coverage.
We shot an entirely new movie. Oh, okay, yeah.
We should super good. Thanks for doing this. We'll talk.
Oh, bro. Okay. Okay, Curry with the shot, what? All right. Well, thank you, though. Appreciate it. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
Thank
I
you.
don't know if Sarah mentioned, like we'll get you either a digital or physical gift card.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
And then we're working on hopefully trying to get like a discount, but also like if you're ever up in Portland, we can get you into the employee store,
In the what?
into the Nike employee store. So that's
When?
That's in here. You just let us
How much
know.
is a ticket to Oregon?
Everything inside the store is 40%.
It's like the outlet one, right?
It's like where like well, we have outlet stores, but then
Right.
like, it's like
Only Nike employees can.
only Nike employees.
Oh
can get
yes,
it.
I'm definitely gonna need that.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, like,
That's yes. Okay.
Time,
All right.
summer.
For sure.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Oh, you'll see me again. Oh,
Yeah,
maybe I
yeah,
don't have to see you then, but yeah.
No, I want to see you.
Okay. I want to ask you more questions about your family.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got homework to do.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I do. All right.
Do you want to wipe for your face? Or
No, I look beautiful today. It's all good. Yeah. No, you do me
make
good.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get on YouTube.
For sure.
now.
Yeah. We'll work it out. We'll work it out. Thank you
I start
again.
following you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Your dad.
Did he already cut out?
He went to
or-
go get the vehicle, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Okay.
thank you so much. I'll see you next time. All right, that was a dope experience. Big shout out to all of the staff that was there that day or today. I apologize if I don't have everybody's names. We're pretty bad with that, but everyone was super nice. They made the process like really easy. And since I didn't know entirely what I was getting into in the very beginning, this is like a quick clip, which I'm going to show here because I'm going to save this footage until they release the footage in like February, I think. February, March. It's supposed to be like a quick snippets and quick clips of people in either whatever city, whether it's Oregon, whether it's here in the Bay Area. And I think their segment is kind of more specialized for the Bay Area on this topic for sneakerheads, Nike sneakers app, Nike itself. And then it's like an 8-second clip or whatever. So I'm going to play it here. Hopefully they edited it well. I don't know. It's in their hands. You know, typically when I film stuff, I edit it myself, but you know, it's all in their hands. Anyway, so just enjoy the footage and I'm going to play it here. And then at the end, we'll wrap this up. That's Henny.
Jordan 1s are my go-to favorite silhouette. I do find red a really powerful color. In Chinese culture, it means happiness and joy. Good luck and good fortune is Gong Hei Fat Choi. I think that's everyone's goal, trying to keep traditions alive.
I was born in the year of the rabbit, so obviously I'm furry and I'm friendly. So I have to move around a lot for my job. First thing I do is I do research on all of the sneaker boutiques. And then I go on social media and then I look at the community. So I already know some of the main tastemakers and influencers in the city I go to. You can have the most mundane outfit, you have the right pair of kicks, and boom.
I'm wearing the Nike Cold Wool Zoom Vomero 5. The biggest reason I bought them is because I don't see anyone else wearing them. A big part of it is other people seeing your shoes and like oohing and awing over it, right? I don't think being Chinese American affects much of what I wear because what is the typical attire for a Chinese American? Like seriously, what is the typical attire? I don't know. But it is a weird spot to being Chinese American, not speaking the language, and growing up here because you're considered an outsider, but if you go to China, you're also considered an outsider because you don't speak the language there either. I'm still trying my best to learn Chinese. I'm trying to learn Mandarin. It's very important to pass down tradition, right? You want your kids in the future to potentially know the culture that you come from